Is there anything better on a chilly day than a warm bowl of soup? I don't know if there is. I have about a dozen recipes for soup on my website, but this bacon corn chowder is one of my family's very favorites. The sweet corn combined with the salty bacon is absolutely perfect. I think you're gonna love it too. In a large soup pot, you're going to want to add potatoes, celery, onions, chicken broth. For my chicken broth, I just use water and some better than bouillon, but you can use whatever you prefer. And then some salt. And then we're going to let it come to a boil and simmer it until the potatoes are tender, and that'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, now while those veggies are cooking, we're going to whip up the creamy part of our soup. Okay, in a large skillet, you're going to cook about a pound of bacon until it's really crispy, and then you want to use a slotted spoon to remove it from the pan. Then you want to pour the bacon grease into a bowl. Wipe out any of the brown bits with a paper towel. Then you want to measure it back in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of that bacon grease. Then you're going to add some flour. You want to keep cooking it and whisking it for at least a minute so you don't have any raw flour taste in your soup. After a minute, you're going to add in some whole milk or half and half cream. And then you want to cook and stir that over medium heat until it comes to a boil. Now that it's nice and creamy, it's time to put together our soup. Okay, we're all finished, and now it's time to eat. This does make a big batch of soup, so if you need to, you can cut the recipe in half. This soup is yummy on its own, but it's even more delicious if you serve it with some homemade rolls or biscuits. And you can also find those recipes on my website, and I will link to them below.